Okay, so we're still looking at the Volvo P1800 trims, and this one, well, a lot of this I'm having to work out. I mean, it's the first time I've done one of these from scratch, and I didn't strip it, so I had no idea how it went. But here is the trim here. If you imagine this, if I come out a bit here, you can see this bit is actually, this is the first piece that goes on, and then you've got your clip here, and then that pushes down there. You're not going to put a screw there because it's going to punch through or rivet, so you just put some gaffer tape, and it's enough to hold it. And when you're fitting it up, you don't think it's going to go, but basically where that's there, if I show you where that is screwed on, and then you push this panel from the back in as you are feeding this down. It is possible to do it with one person. This piece here slides in first, and you work your way down, and you push from behind, and then you nip it onto here, which sounds very easy, but like all these things, it does take a bit of time. Now, these are the original trims, so they're 50 years old, and you can see that they've split here. Yes, Damien. How you doing?
I'll see you when I come up.
Okay, no worries. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a penny washer here. I think on the other one what I did is I repaired it here with a little bit of fiberglass just to stop it splitting down it here. And it's, you know, you got the strength of the bar here, but here you're going to do the the penny washer to repair it, to hold it together. Unless you happen to buy a new one. Unfortunately, all this sort of new stuff tends to be a bit cheap, shall we say. These panels that go on, what you're going to have to do is put your clips on. I'll show you on this side. So you're going to set all your clips up first of all. So if I give you an idea how I've done mine, might help you out. She goes around here, right the way there. That last clip there, I put it in, but there's no hole in my door for that, and there's a little fixing like a little self tapper that goes in there. And if I just show you, I mean, it's so, there we go. And if you go down there, you see the self tapper with the little brass bit, which you can get those little brass bits out of maybe a plumber's or our plumber shop does all little bits and pieces, so you can sort of pick up that stuff. So this is the bit you want to feed that down here. Sorry, from this side, feed that down, and then you push this in to slide it down. Here, I didn't sort of think that was going to show. I can't see anything that's missing, but yeah, that is the way it is. So unless you want to put a bit of material in there, you are left with a bit of a gap there. So you could put a bit of black material, glue it on, but there we go. Right, okay, we'll crack on and